Welcome to Free From That, a division of Vegan Gastronomy Culinary Academy. I will take under 1 minute to explain what has changed. We're excited to announce that we've officially merged our training programs and powdered product operations into one united group. Everything is now fully online, with training offered from the USA and Australia, and our allergen-free products blended and shipped directly from Spain. As part of this change, we're no longer issuing certified training certificates, and you no longer need to post assignments to our private Facebook group. Instead, our courses are now available anytime in a flexible, self-paced format. Support is still personal and hands-on. Chef Jessica is available for free instant chat via WhatsApp or FaceTime, whether you're using an iPhone, iPad, or Mac. And best of all, we're now offering our same high-quality video training at just a fraction of the original cost, so it will not affect your daily life, and you can take courses for very low cost, so you can run a family and cook. This is our way of making plant-based and vegan education more accessible to everyone, as we celebrate 15 years in business. See our new low-cost pricing and check out what's new. Click the link in the comments below. And that only took about 60 seconds. Have a nice day.